Okay, so here's what I'm doing. I don't know if my microphone's working in my camera, my webcam. So I'm doing this. Makes sense? Does to me. So a green screen. It's a green tablecloth. Like so. See? Tablecloth. Tablecloth. Yep. That's all it is. It doesn't work very well. Then again, I don't have the software for it. This is my phone. This is the Mustang that's on my phone. Mustang. I love Mustangs. They're awesome. These are my sunglasses that I can now wear. It just fell. These are my sunglasses that I can wear because I got contacts today, which is why I'm not wearing them. These are my other sunglasses that I can wear. Oh yeah. My face. There's the other one. Okay. Here's the other sunglasses I can wear. Because I just have a collection for whatever reason. I just do. Yeah. Well, that's just how awesome I am. So, how awesome are you?